By who? By who? What is that?
By Todd Parr. That's right. Sometimes I feel silly. Sometimes I feel...
Scared.
And what does the mouse say?
Scared.
Eek!
Eek.
Sometimes I feel like standing on my...
Head.
Sometimes I feel like...
And look under cover.
Very good. Sometimes I feel...
I feel lonely.
Sometimes I feel like celebrating my...
Birthday.
Even though it's not today. Sometimes I feel...
Blaming scared.
It means not scared.
Not scared.
Sometimes I feel like looking out the...
In the whole day.
Sometimes I feel like...
And him friends.
Yeah, holding hands with a friend. And sometimes I feel like...
Dancing.
Sometimes I feel like making...
I'm a pie.
Sometimes I feel like...
I'm a
I have a tummy ache. Sometimes I feel...
cranky.
Sometimes I feel like...
Turn back all day.
Sometimes I feel like...
Camping dog.
Camping with my dog. Sometimes I feel like...
Crying.
Yeah. Sometimes I feel like... trying something
No.
new. Sometimes I feel like yelling really loud.